All right, guys, well, we got everything's extruded. All of the roofing is extruded. You can see we got it piled up here. We got some more of it piled up over there. We got more behind the shop. I thought that was really cool to watch. As you can see, the rain came down. We got them out of here just before the rain started really pouring. So materials here. Next week we'll see the roofing start, so that should be interesting to see. We can't catch a break with this weather, but that's all right. We're gonna keep a positive attitude, and we'll see you in the next few days so this roof can get underway. All right, well, we got the first panel of the roofing going on. Let's check it out. So as you can see, they are making progress on the main house roof, and it looks awesome. So we're a little over halfway there. Got a little bit of fine details that need to be done to it, but it is coming along. It's exactly what we wanted, and anyway, it's looking good. Okay, so the last thing that we're gonna do for the day is we're gonna put these boots on these two pipes. It's kind of a neat way that they seal it and secure it down even over the top of the high rib that goes there, but we'll get to see that here in just a second. Good morning. It is beautiful out today, and I gotta tell you, I am loving the standing seam metal roof. Now, that is a huge improvement. You can see we got the cedar on there. That's the Tando Beach House Shake, but they have almost completed the main house. We had one little hiccup, not our installer's fault. David's doing a great job. The panels are 16 inches. Well, they really only cover 15 3/4. Well, you add 58 panels up, and that's what, I don't know, 10 inches or so. That's a final panel there. So today we got them coming out. They're going to deliver that last panel for them. We're very thankful. Max Metals, they're taking care of us on that. As you can see, the guest house is complete. Look at that. It's great. Now we're going to do something interesting on that guest house. We're going to put a kind of a cedar. It's going to be probably the Trex brand cedar. And it's a cedar look. It's not actually cedar, but it's a Trex brand. It has a cedar look. It's going to match our Beach House Shake perfectly. So today, once they're going to probably wrap up on the garage, and then I think there'll just be a little bit of trim work that's going to take place kind of all over the whole property on the roof. And once that's buttoned down, we're going for inspection. Once inspection is passed, it is insulation and sheetrock really quick. All right, guys, well, I haven't really talked to you in detail about the type of metal roof that we're installing. It is a standing seam metal roof. It is a snap lock, and basically, let me pull this scrap piece of panel up here. Basically, this is one of the ribs, and it actually snaps down on top without a fastener on this side, and that holds it down. Believe it or not, it's very, very strong. And then this is a nail rib panel, and what that means is that there's no clip with a with the screw that goes down. It actually has this nail rib on the side. I don't know if you can see that, but it makes it a very fast install. It also makes it to where it can go right down on top of the decking. If you notice, it also has a little bit of striation to it. This striation right through here. Now what that does, and it's real important, is it helps with oil canning. Anybody who's done any research on a standing seam metal roof knows you have to worry about oil canning. And basically it allows for a little bit of movement on that metal, expansion and contraction. That is an important aspect. Otherwise you can get a kind of a horizontal wave or wrinkle going through that roof, which is absolutely something you want to avoid. This is the Galvalume color, so this is actually the color. I've had a lot of people ask me, are you going to paint that? No, we're not going to paint it. It's a highly reflective. It's great for energy efficiency, but this Galvalume is actually an aluminum impregnated onto the steel panel, and is a really, really durable product. This is the final color on it. I think it's going to be a neat final look, especially when that Tando Beach House Shake, the color Pacifica, goes on there. That orange is going to pop, especially around the front door and across the garage, which will add a lot of dynamic interest to the silver roof. So anyway, great product. I got a good installer, man. And I think that's part of what makes a good roof, is a really good installer. So if y'all are looking for somebody in the Atlanta area, reach out to David. He's a great, honest guy, and you know, does everything he says he's gonna do. So you can't ask for more than that in an installer. we go. The roof is complete. Check it out. All 3 buildings are done. I'm actually standing on top of the garage right now, and I can't tell you how cool it is just to see that the roof is installed. Now, we do have a few pieces of trim that we're gonna have to put on, but for the most part, the roof is down. It is ready. We're ready for inspection. We're gonna do air seal coming up, but for the most part, man, we are ready. Once air seal's done, then it's gonna be insulation and then sheetrock. I'm excited.